Okay, so this video is about changing out the cabin air filter, 2018 F-150 Lariat. It's going to be up here behind the glove box, so I'll walk you through that right now. Okay, so we got the glove box open. The first step I found is you have this rubber little tray here. You can just gently pull that off. That's just clipped in. I'll show you how that's going to go back on in a few minutes. The next step is you want to use a plastic panel tool of some sort. Okay, because you have to get underneath this trim piece here. All right, this has several pop clips behind it, which hide screws. So we'll get underneath this, gently pry up, and you start to hear them pop. Okay, don't pry all the way though, because there's a second row of clips, and you don't want to break the clips or the panel. So you can just hear them still popping, nice and easy all the way across. So now what I did is I tuck something in here. See, it's hard to do with just the holding the camera. There we go. So now we're starting to get this thing close. And there it is. Okay, that's how it came off. Those are the different clips that you're looking at. Okay, you set that to the side. So I've already taken this apart, but what you'll find is you'll find a 7mm screw here and a 7mm screw here. Okay, I've already taken those out. Now you can pull this out. This has got some clips in it, regular pop clips. There we go. Okay, so this can actually rotate. It's got a plug there for the light switch. So I just like to rotate this out of the way. You can unplug it if you want. It's all up to you. So now we look back here. That's the door for your cabin air filter. So you can reach behind this side and just pull the hook. I'll show you what the hook really looks like here in a minute. Once you pull both those hooks, you can pull this door down from the top. Oh, that other hook re-engaged a little. Okay, pull this door down from the top a little and then straight off. Okay, so with that door off, that's what you're looking at for your cabin air filter. You just grab a hold of it, it's pretty soft, pull it straight out, insert your new one, and then you can reverse the process. Okay, so now you can just reinstall this door. You see that these feet on the bottom have two different steps to them, so you just have to get this part here into those hooks. And you can just press up. You'll feel one side click, then the other side click, and then you're good. Okay, so now you get this clicked back in like it is now. You reinsert your two screws that were behind this panel. Click this panel on. And then you can insert this rubber mat again. I'll show you how I got this back in the easiest way. So you got all these hooks on the back here. All right, so we're gonna put that back in place approximately. It's not really clicked in yet. So if you work the back line there and get those rear clips clipped in, then if you look underneath here, these aren't really clipped in. Okay, right here, they're not really clipped in yet. So then what I was doing is I was pulling up a little and twisting it in. So let me try and show you from a different angle here. So I was pulling up and then twisting it down a little bit to get that to clip in. And if you've done it right, you should have a nice clean line and it'll be straight all the way across. And there's one more clip on this end to push that in. So it takes a little finagling, a little twisting of the rubber, but that's how you do it.